Why did you agree to be interviewed on WABC Radio, a channel where both the hosts and the audience are mainly conservative? This is a good question. WABC Radio is a radio station in New York. It is basically a conservative radio station. Much of the talk radio now, by the way, is conservative, much more conservative than democratic or progressive or liberal or whatever word you want to use. So that is true. A couple of points. One, I was a federal cabinet secretary. I was an attorney general. I was a governor. I represented all New Yorkers. I represented Democrats. I represented Republicans. I represented liberals. I represented conservatives. I'm interested in everybody's point of view, and everybody's point of view is relevant. Second, I think it's very dangerous when we start to polarize this way. Why would you talk to a conservative? Because they're a New Yorker, because they're a person, because they have an opinion. What are we going to break into groups and not talk to each other? Democrats shouldn't talk to Republicans. You go to a party and we put a line down the middle of the room, Democrats on one side and Republicans on the other side. That's part of what is happening that's ripping this country apart. You have your own, Democrats have their newspaper, Republicans have their newspaper. Republicans have their TV station, Democrats have their TV station. I think that factionalization is very, very bad. I also think if you don't talk to the conservatives, in this case, then they wind up talking to each other. And when they talk to each other, all they do is resonate the same information. And a lot of the information is just wrong. But if they're not talking to anyone else, then nobody corrects it. So they circulate the same wrong, incorrect information. And no one says, excuse me a second, 2 plus 2 still equals 4, and your assumption is wrong. So I think you need the dialogue to actually have an intelligent conversation and to hear both sides of the argument. I enjoy hearing their thoughts. You know, nobody knows everything. Nobody's 100% right. I enjoy hearing their thoughts, and it makes me think more about my position. And I hope vice versa.